So Terry, we've finally got a bike in the place that's older than you.
Most definitely, by a considerable margin, I might say.
So this is a 1936.
1936 B35 250cc, and it's exceptional condition. It has been sitting for some time, obviously.
So it's 84-year-old.
Yeah, crazy, eh?
That is unbelievable, and it's obviously been restored at one stage. It could not be.
It's been done a while ago.
Yep.
Has been sitting for some time, obviously, but the whole thing's there. It's quite unique with the shifter on the side of the tank.
Yeah, a bit like the early Harley Davidson's got the shifter up on the tank, and kickstart, no electric start back in the day on these things.
There are quite a few of the early, like from the 20s and 30s and 40s, of bikes sitting around in people's sheds and put away.
Twin fillers on the tanks.
Yeah, twin fillers. It's a cool looking bike, I think.
Yep, and the good part about an old bike like this is if you bought something like this, you don't just have to sit away in your shed. There's plenty of historic motorcycle clubs that get these things out, get them running, and they'll go on club runs. So
do day events and weekend events.
Exactly. If you wanted to buy something that you can go and join a club and have a bit of fun with and find out the information and the story and the background on these bikes, there's certainly enough clubs around. Well, this is a cracker bike, and as I said, it's probably, I think it would be the oldest bike we've ever had in.
I would have to be, without a doubt.
And it's in extremely good condition. So it's coming up this month at Grays Online. If you'd like some more information, you know the number, 1300 Classic. Give us a call or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. And one of the very special bikes coming up this month at Grays Online.